Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Peace be with you. We are reaching the 28th section, the 28th day of Ramadan. And what we find in this section, it's an important message about the way we have to look at our relationship with the creation, but at the same time, the way we have to look at ourselves within the creation, the heavens and the earth. It's important. Very often we look at ourselves as if we are disconnected from the surrounding world and the universe. What we have in one of the chapters of the Quran, Surah As-Saf 61, is something which is very important. سبح لله ما في السماوات وما في الأرض وهو العزيز الحكيم. يا أيها الذين آمنوا لما تقولون ما لا تفعلون. The starting point of this verse is everything in the heavens and the earth is praising the glory of God, because He is Al-Aziz Al-Hakim. He's the one who is the glorious and the one who is full of wisdom. And then straight after this, O you who believe, why are you saying what you do not do? There is something here which is very essential. We are very quick to analyze this verse by coming to the second verse by saying, look, this is a very powerful verse saying, why are you saying what you do not do as believers? But we need to look at this second verse in the light of the first one. If you look at nature, this symphony that is coming out of this nature, praising God all together with no dissonance, with no disharmony. This is where we find human beings now behaving within this in contradiction, full of contradiction, saying something and doing something else, and being exactly the opposite of what is coming out of nature, as if here the teacher is nature and the student is human being, while at the same time what we think is that we have the power to destroy, we have the power to change everything, and we are in fact dominating nature when it comes to our power, when it comes to Sakhara lakum, as we saw that everything is subservient. While in spiritual terms, it's the opposite. What we find in nature is this harmony, this symphony. Everything is coming and praising the glory of God, while we are saying something and we do something else. And this is the worst that we can do. So it's a call for harmony. It's a call for reconciliation. And what nature does naturally, human being should do it out of a spiritual struggle. So we need to learn to be as consistent as nature is. So the teacher is nature, and human being and mankind is the student. And in spiritual terms, we need to get the message. We need to look at around us and understand this harmony that is coming from around us. And this harmony is essential in the way you have to look at our spirituality. It's a long process. It's a long process to spiritually come close to the natural nature of this symphony and spiritual symphony, praising the glory of the one who created everything. May Allah help us. Don't forget to tell the people you love that you love them. Life is fragile. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.